list of steering wheel functions and retention features, please refer to the instruction found within the kit or view it online at connex2.com. The vehicle's steering wheel controls are retained with the installation, allowing the control of both volume and channel frequency with the new aftermarket head unit. Putting the vehicle in reverse will trigger a custom-made PDC display, specially made for the infodapter. This works to recreate the previous functionality of the OEM vehicle reverse sensors. A long press of the source button will allow access to the infodapter menu. Upon accessing vehicle settings, you will see a range of options that allow you to configure and control various features of the vehicle. These options deal with a range of functions from the air conditioning synchronization through to the activation of the vehicle's rain sensors. The infodapter also retains elements of your instrument cluster and recreates a stylized version of the vehicle's engine oil check. Once complete, it will showcase the oil status and identifies whether the vehicle is due a service. Within the infodapter settings, there are a selection of options that control the appearance of the infodapter as well as the brightness of the PDC imagery. There is also the ability to change preferences in relation to a reverse camera if attached. The infodapter interface allows for an ultimate information upgrade when replacing the OEM unit to that of an aftermarket head unit.